You know that feeling when things just aren't going right. It feels like that light, that spark, the true essence of who you are is missing. Sadness is a part of life. What would true joy be without grief? Or even just deep-hearted contemplation? It's okay to be sad. Let's make some music. I'm feeling just a little better already. The drums have a little bit too much swing to them. Just a little sloppy. So I quantized it to 16th notes at 50%, so it's not completely robotic. And then the volume, the velocities of the hi-hats and the kicks and the snare vary throughout the pattern, so it does give it some life, which we all need. There's a secret in life, to happiness that is. I don't really have a proper name for it. Other than shake a tambourine. That was the one. Oh, hold up. I got an idea. If that's not working, you can also strum a guitar. I know for a fact this puppy has not been touched, therefore it's not in tune. Appropriate recording techniques aside, this should sound pretty good. A little flat. If you're wondering what this is, it's just a sticky piece of padding that you use to put things on walls. This thing likes to buzz. Do you mind? Yeah, so we're going. I'm gonna do my old secret trick where I just record what I need. That's gonna happen right now. Then I went to D. Now that the poorly recorded guitar is in the computer, it's a sad guitar. We can find the pieces that we need. This is the A minor strum chunk. This is the D minor part, and here's the E minor part. Let's hear how that sounds. The first thing that I noticed is that the A minor strum sounds really good. The D minor strum is a little loud. I'm going to turn that down. And it's also a little rushed. So I'm going to zoom in a significant amount and drag it just a little bit so it's kind of delayed. Let's see what that did. The D minor is good. The E minor strum, this just sounds off. Let's experiment. The E minor chord is also loud. There we go. I don't like that, so we're going to grab this part right here, drag it right there, reverse it, and I think it sounds pretty good. Now for the guitar, this is something I love to do quite often. Pitching down acoustic instruments gets really interesting results. Reverb. Yes. Some of that stuff. Look at this. I love plugins that have one knob to turn. Yo, 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 yo. Hey, hey, hey. Where's the little fluffy thing? Give me a second. Oh. Now we're professionals. I woke up feeling like something was wrong. Yeah. Yo, yeah, yeah. I woke up feeling like something was wrong. And I know this is my only song. I got one life to live, and this is it. I know the sun gon' rise today, even if things don't go my way. I gotta push through all the bullshit, and I know it all comes down to this. And I know it ain't just a bag of tricks. I know things can get better. And I know it all comes down to this. And I know it ain't just a bag of tricks. I know things can get better. We've all been there. Please take heart in knowing that even in this internet world that you are experiencing right now, I can relate. And I think we all can. That's part of being human. Don't beat yourself up. Don't add any more extra guilt or shame on top of what's happening. I have no idea what you're experiencing right now. You may be skipping around singing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. But some days you get down. And those days are when you need to get back up. As cliche as that sounds. Push through it. Please, in this moment, love yourself just a little bit more than you do now. And maybe your surroundings will brighten just a little bit.